Well, amid the controversy over the animal fat allegedly being used in the preparation of Tirupati laddus, the BJP leader Madhavi Lata has travelled from Hyderabad to Tirumala on a Vande Bharat train to offer prayers to Lord Venkateshwara Swami temple yesterday. The BJP leader's visit comes amid a raging political war in the state, with the TDP alleging that animal fat was used in Tirupati laddus during the previous YSRCP government. Now, hitting back, the former Chief Minister and the YSRCP President Jagan Mohan Reddy has called on people to take part in temple rituals across Andhra Pradesh on the 28th of September to atone for the sin allegedly committed by Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu through his allegation on the Tirupati laddus. But both the TDP and the BJP have slammed the former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister ahead of his planned visit to the temple. They say that there won't be any forgiveness for Jagan Mohan Reddy, under whose regime the adulterated ghee was used for the preparation of the Tirupati laddus. In fact, they also insist that if Jagan wishes to make darshan at the Tirumala temple, he will have to sign a declaration of faith in Lord Balaji, since he is not a follower of Hinduism. We have, in fact, more breaking updates coming in. An SIT has been formed to probe the complaint of the TTD. A 9-member team will be probing the purity of the ghee in the entire case. The IGP Guntur Range will head this special investigation team. It's an issue that pertains to the faith of millions of devotees, and an SIT has now been formed. This is after the TTD had also filed a formal complaint in this regard. My colleague Deepak is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Deepak, politics of it aside, the investigation on the case also continues. What's expected now? An SIT has been formed which will look into the allegations that adulterated ghee had been used for the preparation of the laddus.
Yes, while politics, of course, is going on, this is a matter of faith and devotion and belief for, the lakhs of people who visit Tirupati. Now, while we've been there speaking to many of the devotees about the controversy in itself, one thing that's very clear from their end is a thorough investigation to get to the bottom of this is important, so that such an incident does not occur. Find loopholes that exist in the system. If there are possibilities of corruption, possibilities of adulterated ingredients that could be coming in for whatever reason that has happened, they don't want it to happen once again. That is where it is essential to do a fair probe into the matter, and not just that, devotees have also been demanding for testing to happen within Tirupati itself. Whether all of this is something that the government will consider, that remains to be seen. Of course, as far as politics is concerned, we've seen political visits, we've seen politicians visits. Now we've of course going to have the former Chief Minister, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy himself visit there. What's going to happen? What is he going to say? And how is the reaction going to be? That's going to be interesting. And like you mentioned, the 9-member panel is a part of this SIT that Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, promised, and it has been set up. This includes the Guntur Range Inspector General of Police, Sarvashesh Tripathi, also comprises of 9 officers. This is the Visakhapatnam Range DIG Gopinath Jatti, the Kadapa SP V Harshvardhan Raju is going to be a part of it. Tirupati Additional SP Venkat Rao is going to be a part of this. DSPs G Sitaram Rao, also Sivanarayana Swami. Inspectors as well a part of this panel. They are T Satyanarayana and also Uma Maheshwar and M Suryanarayana. These are from different districts, all of them coming together, one purpose and one purpose alone: find out what were the discrepancies and fix them so that it does not happen once again.
Okay, all right. So the investigation into the same is going to take place. But Deepak, today a lot of political developments also expected. Jagan Mohan Reddy is also going to be in Tirumala. He's going to be visiting the temple tomorrow. Ahead of that, a war of words taking place with the BJP saying that a declaration should be signed. In fact, purification rituals had also been undertaken at the temple. But Jagan Mohan Reddy saying that it is the TDP that has caused this entire controversy by making these baseless allegations. Take us to the politics that's expected.
Well, when we saw the purification, homa that was held a couple of days ago, Pratibha, that evening itself, we saw a former, TDP chairman, YSRCP MLA Karunakar Reddy visit. We saw him offer that Aarati, and during which he made that statement which turned a little political. Police had to whisk him away from that particular spot. He went on to say that he can prove before anybody and take the test that he is not involved in any corruption. Today you have the former Chief Minister himself visit Tirumala. Tomorrow he is of course at the temple. Whether there will be any sort of politically charged statements that will be made, whether there will be theatrics here, because there has been a direct charge that has come in from the TDP that all of this is a misdoing under the watch of the YSRCP. So there could be a rebuttal that could come in from the former Chief Minister. At this point in time, while an investigation of course has been ordered, the politics definitely doesn't seem to be dying down.
Okay, all right. Deepak, stay with us. We have Sagarika also joining us on the broadcast. Sagarika, SIT being formed to probe the TTD's formal complaint. A 9-member team will be probing and looking at the allegations that have been made in the preparation of the Tirupati Laddu.
Yes, and this document talks about that 9-member team that will be probing these allegations and what it goes on to say. Now, this document says that the government of Andhra Pradesh has examined the issue and has observed that Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam is a revered institution for devotees worldwide. The Srivari Laddu and other prasadams offered at the temple hold immense religious significance, symbolizing purity and devotion. Recent reports of adulteration in the ghee used for the preparation of Srivari Laddu and other prasadams have deeply hurt the sentiments of millions of devotees. In light of the gravity of the situation, the government of Andhra Pradesh, in accordance with its commitment to protecting the sanctity of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, has considered it necessary to constitute a special investigation team for detailed and comprehensive investigation of the entire issue. And now in the special investigation team, there are, like you mentioned, it's a 9-member team. So IPS from the IGP of IGP Guntur range is the head, that is Sarvashresh Tripathi. Gopinath Jatti, again IPS DIG Visakhapatnam range. You have Shri Harshvardhan Raju, also another member, Shri Venkat Rao, Shri Sitaram Rao, Shri Shivnarayan Swami, Shri Satyanarayana, Shri Uma Shankar and Shri Surya Narayana. This is going to be the SIT, and it is going to be headed by the IGP of Guntur range, that is Sarvashresh Tripathi.
Okay, all right. Stay with us. We have breaking updates.